But today I'm gonna show you something. My cat had her baby. This was only. Damn it! My mom knocked it. Well, there's only 3 of them. A ver, Paquita. Let me out to bebé. You see? There's one right there, but I'm gonna have that. Here's the mom. I'm gonna show you where she had her babies. This is where the little girl's turtle died. Feels so bad. Here where she had her babies. Here she had her babies. Here she had it behind the couch. The old couch. Hey, look. The little girls I seen like the little girls I seen the little girls I seen the cats. Once again, I congrats her birth. She had a triplets.
Oh, baby.
There's only one baby that was